Hello everyone. First open your WhatsApp, open any chat or group you want create poll, tap on add icon and tap on poll. Now under question section, write your question. For example, and under option, add your option. For example, also you can add more option based on your needs, and also we have a allow multiple answers. You can choose this one, which means if this feature active, anyone can use more than one option, and if you turn off this feature, other people just can choose one option. After that, tap on send. Now, as you see, we make a poll in WhatsApp. For example, if anyone choose one of these option, you can add on view votes. Now you can see other people choose which option. I hope this video was useful for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.